Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about what is NAS and what is SAN. So first of all, let's discuss about NAS. So NAS is network attached storage. So as the name suggests, we have a storage array that is attached to our network is known as a network attached storage. From this network we have our various devices connected like our phone, our desktop, our laptop and etc devices are connected to this. So if someone want to access the data, he can just simply request that from this array and he can get the data. So but what is the issue with that? The only issue with this is there is a single point of failure. If this got broken, then we cannot access our data. So let's also discuss about the benefit. It's cheap. There is no special hardware required. Okay, in order to set up that, maintenance is also easy. You need not have a dedicated engineer to see this, and it is very good for a home setup or for a small to medium sized companies. Small to medium sized company, these are the perfect setup for them. But due to this single point of failure, the big enterprises cannot take that risk. So that's the reason we have SAN. So SAN is known as storage area network. So let's suppose, what is storage area network? Storage area network, instead of having a single array, we have multiple storage array, and we have the multiple switches, and these switches and these servers or the storage servers are connected in a mesh topologies, as you can see here, so that there is no single point of failure. If something went faulted or something went down, we have the other storage server in the place of that who will take care of operation. Then they are connected to, let's suppose we have our servers, we have our desktop, we have our another appliance like this is our laptop. So the data is distributed like that. So let's discuss about the advantages. What are the advantages of having SAN? The first and the most important advantages of speed. We are using the enterprise edition hardware, so the speed will be definitely improved in that, and also it is high availability because we are using the we are creating a redundancy in that. So in any point of failure we can access the data. Okay, we can mention as HA. But what is the disadvantage of that? You need a special staff or for the maintenance. You cannot maintain this whole storage area network, and this is a costly solution. You need, because you are buying the multiple servers, you are buying the multiple switch, so it become costly for your organization. That's the reason it is the best for enterprises or mid to enterprise level companies. Okay, so if you want text based tutorial of this video, then you can head over to the link in the description and you can check out my blog where I mention in detail in the theory. So you can go and you can also check out that, and if you like these type of content, you can just surely follow me and I will more than happy to help you further. Thank you.